We are the students of class 7th are going to present a quiz on Diwali. My first question is for class 1st. What is the name of the lamps which are lit during Diwali? Option A diya, option B lights, option C candles, option D none of these. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is diya. My second question is for class 2nd. Which Hindu goddess is celebrated on the third day of Diwali? Option A Saraswati, option B Parvati, option C Sita, option D Lakshmi. Yes, your answer is right. The correct answer is Lakshmi. My third question for class third. How many years was Rama exiled for? Option A 11, option B 14, option C 9, option D 10. Yes, your answer is right, 14. My fourth question for class 4. By what nickname is Diwali also known as? Option A, Festival of Color, option B, Festival of Light, option C, Festival of Water, option D, none of these. Yes, your answer is right, Festival of Light. My fifth question is for class 5th. How many days of Diwali are there? Option A 4, option B 5, option C 9, option D 10.
Please repeat.
I repeat my question. How many days of Diwali are there? Option A 4, option B 5, option C 9, option D 10. Yes, your answer is right. The correct answer is 5. My next question is for class 6. When is Diwali celebrated? Option A, July, August. Option B, August, September. Option C, October, November. Option D, December, January. Yes, your answer is right. My seventh question for class 7. What is the first day of Diwali called? Option A Diwali, option B Govardhan, option C Choti Diwali, and option D Dhanteras. Yes, your answer is correct, Dhanteras. My eighth question for class 8. Who did Rama defeated so he could rescue Sita? Option A Kans, option B Mahishasur, option C Srupnakha, and option D Ravan. Yes, your answer is correct, Ravan.
My ninth question for class 9. What is celebrated on the final day of Diwali called? Option A, Bhai Dooj, option B, Raksha Bandhan, option C, Lakshmi Puja, option D, all of these. Yes, your answer is right. Option A, Bhai Dooj. My 10th question for class 10. Which epic story is traditionally told during Diwali? Option A, Mahabharat, option B, Ramayana, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. Yes, your answer is right. Option B, Ramayana.
My 11th question for class 11th. What is the name of the early morning ritual performed by some people on the second day of Diwali? Option A, row of lights. Option B, Narkasur. Option C, Abhyanga Snan. Option D, Krishna. I repeat my question. What is the name of the early morning ritual performed by some people on the second day of Diwali? Option A, row of lights. Option B, Narkasur. Option C, Abhyanga Snan. Option D, Krishna. Yes, your answer is correct. Abhyanga Snan. Thank you. Have a nice day.